Make sure the nylon goes in the blue bin over there.
All right, I see it now. Put the denim in the blue bin over there. Watch the belt speed. Watch the belt speed.
After the shredding process, the recycled textile fibers are collected in large industrial hoppers. At this stage, the material has been transformed from discarded clothing into clean, reusable fibers, ready for the next step of manufactions. After the initial shredding stage, the recycled textile material is transferred automatically to the main crusher through a sinkverwerking. The effect is smooth and can increase the stiffness of flow without manual handling. In the secondary processing stage, shredded textiles pass through advanced refining machines that reduce them into soft, uniform fibers, ensuring the recycled material is clean and ready for premium cushion filling. After secondary processing, the refined textile fibers are temporarily stored in large intermediate hoppers. These automated storage systems may have recycled fibers for the next stage of production without interrupting the manufacturing process. Every batch of recycled textile fibers undergoes an advanced automated quality inspection. High-speed opting purity studies ensuring only clean, premium quality fibers continue through the recycling process. At this stage, the recycled textile fibers have reached their final quality. Soft, lightweight, and evenly processed, they are now ready for use in high-quality cushion manufacturing. The recycled fibers are now ready for their final transformation. From discarded textile waste to premium filling material, the journey continues toward the production of high-quality decorative cushions, completing the recycling cycle. These premium recycled fibers are precisely injected into each cushion using advanced automated filling technology, ensuring consistent softness, comfort, and superior product quality. Each finished cushion is automatically packaged using high-precision equipment to protect product quality during storage and transportation. From discarded textile waste to premium home decor, every step of this advanced recycling process that transforms millions of aquatic products through innovation becomes tomorrow's comfort. Every cushion tells a story. Once forgotten as discarded textile waste, today it brings comfort, beauty, and sustainability into modern homes around the world.
What was once considered waste has now become a product of comfort, quality, and sustainability. Modern recycling technology helps reduce landfill waste, conserve natural resources, and build a cleaner future for generations to come.